Hello guys, my name is Govind Sav and today our topic is useEffect. UseEffect is a very important topic in our React. So here I write some definition of useEffect. So first line is the useEffect who allow you to perform side effect in the your component. And second is some example of side effect are fetching data, directly updating the DOM and timers. And third is useEffect except two argument. The second argument is optional. And guys, this is a very important uh, topic. And with the help of useEffect, you achieve three most important life cycle method if you know about class-based components, so we are use life cycle method in class-based component. But help of this use effect hook, we are uh, achieve life cycle method here, like component did mount, component did update, and component did unmount. Okay, so these three main life cycle method we are achieve using only this use effect. And yeah, also we have many life cycle method, but most major important life cycle is component did update, component will did mount, and component will unmount. So we are achieve these three life cycle method only using this use effect. So yeah, so I create one mini project for better understanding. And what I do, I create one counter. And so for example, I create I write const, and I take one counter for counter, set counter, and here we use take one state over use state, and I give initial state is 0. Okay, and here what I do in h1 take, we simply write here our count value. For example, so this is our initial step, and after that I take one button click, and on click, what I do, we simply using this arrow function we bind our function, and we are simply change our set counter value count plus 1, and so invalid. Okay, I think I am not defining this step. Invalid hook call, hooks can only be called inside of the body. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So, guys, this is important. We need always our staging inside our component. So yeah. So right now I am not using any use effect, but I created one simple counter. If I click here, so our counter is updated here. Okay. So so what I do, I create one effect, use effect. So right now I am using use effect, and here I use set type. It is a classic example to explain use effect. So what I do, after 1 second, our counter is updated. So inside here, so I deleted this. So we need to define use effect also. Use effect is not defined. Okay, I manually define this effect. And what I do here, I simply print console dot log. Hi guys. So right now we have also so right now I am not give any dependency because I saw some example. So what happened? First render our component here on first render our count is available here, and I create one click button, and first after that this use effect is run. But problem is that if I click this, it is again run. You see, count is 3, count is 4. So for example, this is a one example. If I create a second counter, count 1, and set counter 1, and here I also give this in counter 1, counter 1, and I also copy this counter, counter 1, counter 1, and set counter, set counter 1. So right now, if if you see, yeah, this right now I am not give any dependency. So I click second counter, so it is also run. You see, this is also run. But I am not. This is not right way. I am, for example, I give here counter 1 and counter 2. This is our counter 2, and here I change name. You can post counter 1. This is our counter 2. This is our counter 2, and here is our counter 1, count 1, and here is our count 2, and here is our counter 2, and here is our count 1, and here is our count 1, and here is our count 2, and here is our count 2, and so guys, this is our counter 1 and this is our counter 2. Okay, and if I also here I write count 1, this is your counter 2. Okay, so if I click here, so it is also run. But after I click this, it is also run. But this is not right way. If for example, I try to, if I click only this button, it is run. Okay, so what I do, we simply give one dependency, count 1, and now it is run only whenever it is run only when this found one is updated. Okay, so for example, in initial it is in render time, first time it is rendered. And why it is so too, because here in index.js we are use string mode. So we delete this, and yeah. So I come again here, and so yeah, first time it is render, because yeah, hi guys, it is render. But after this dependency it is run only, I click I update this click one counter. So yeah, so it is updated. But again it is updated. Okay, but I click 2, it is not update, it is not run. Okay, So yeah, so this is our component did updated lifecycle method, and if and also I have one method. The component did mount method is if you run only one time, so you use this method. You give only one empty error. So this is our component did update. Sorry, component did mount. And now talking about, so we have a component did unmount method. Okay, so how I how we will achieve this? We here we simply return console dot log this is unmount. Okay, so whenever our component is whenever our component is unmount, this component did unmount method is run. Okay, so for example, uh, I deleted here. So you see this method is run. This is a unknown. So yeah, guys, this is our use effect too, and it is a very important hook. And only one use effect hook you achieve all three life cycle methods. So you learn this, and I also provide source resources in my channel link. So you go through one time, and best of luck, guys, and thank you. Mhm.